Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a mobile app, something different, that calculates BMI, and obviously it's not the most creative name, but I've named it BMI Calculator. I built the app using React Native. That's something I actually work with in my personal work. So it was pretty interesting to use it in this series of projects. So I'm just gonna explain or briefly go through how it works. But as usual, I have a document with me. Yeah, so it's just to know a few points about the app. So I mean, what should it do? Well, there's a number of ways to calculate BMI, but we're just going to use a simple way, which makes use of two values, the weight and the height. So this is the formula that we're working with: weight divided by the height in meters square. Yeah, so let's go into the app. You can see I have an iPhone simulator that is running the application. Um, yeah, I have some other parameters here, like male, female, age. I know we just need height and weight, but I saw this really nice design on Dribble as I was scrolling through, and I thought, let me just implement it. So that's what I did. Anyways, enough talking. So I'm just gonna select male. This slider is a bit fidgety on the simulator. I don't know why. On my device, it works quite fine. I'm 179 centimeters. Yep. Uh, quite quite heavy. I weigh 90 kilos, and I'm 20. I don't know if I'll use my real age. I mean, I don't mind. I'm 28. All right. So calculate. Oh wow. So the result is I'm overweight. Yep. So I need to watch it. Right. So we can try all the values. Let's say if I lost like 5 kilos, I still would be overweight. So I probably need to lose like say 10 kilos. Yep. Okay. So I need to lose 10 kilograms to be in the healthy weight range. Obviously, there's other values as well. There's underweight, there's obese, right? Um, let's do like 200. This probably wasn't the most efficient way to add this, but yeah, you can see it's a bit fidgety. I can sort that out, but I'm just trying to demonstrate how it works. So yeah, very simple um, application here. Couple things as well. So I'm actually using Expo. Expo is an open source framework, an open source set of tools that allows you to quickly build mobile apps. So like if you're a beginner, it's a pretty neat way to introduce yourself into the world of mobile development because it abstracts away all the complexities of setting up the app, building your custom modules since it has a set of already inbuilt modules, and it also comes with its own icons. You don't have to set that up, which can be quite stressful. It abstracts away the complexity of building your app, of publishing your app. So it just really makes app development like really fun. Just focus on building the app rather than all the other unnecessary stress. And yeah, so I'm using Expo, and another thing I'm using is stack navigation. So as you, I don't know if you noticed, but you can see that I'm navigating between two screens. and so each screen sits on the stack. I'm using the stack navigation implementation here. I don't know if I can quickly show you in the code. So this is my folder structure. I have the app.tsx, which is where the main, which is like where the main application runs. This is what Expo reads to run the application. So I have a navigator inside, and the navigator is a stack navigator. You can have a look at navigation um, in this React navigation. It's a pretty cool package. I think I've got their site open, so you can check it out. You can read their docs. They have different kind of navigations, tabs, drawers, stacks, the likes. Yeah, so I've got two screens. I've got my calculator screen and my results screen. I've given them a title, as you can see, the title, BMI Calculator, the background color of the header, the color is white. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't want to go too much into the code. You can check that out in the repository. And if you are interested in testing this out, you can, if you have Expo Go, um, there's a link in my repo to get access to the QR code or to the Expo URL. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much.